Welcome to Speech on Success.
First question. The largest source of revenue for the Government of India is? Correct answer B. Indirect taxes. Next question. Income tax is A. Correct answer A. Direct tax. Next question. GST is A. Correct answer B. Indirect tax. Next question. Custom duties are levied on? Correct answer B. Export and import of goods. Next question. Corporate tax is paid by? Correct answer B. Companies. Next question. Non-tax revenue includes? Correct answer B. Fees and fines. Next question. Excise duty is levied on? Correct answer B. Manufactured goods. Next question. Stamp duty is a type of? Correct answer B. Indirect tax. Next question. The main source of revenue for local bodies is? Correct answer B. Property tax. Next question. The government borrows money through? Correct answer B. Treasury bills and bonds. Next question. The largest component of non-tax revenue is? Correct answer A. Dividends and profits. Next question. GST in India was implemented in? Correct answer C. 2017. Next question. Wealth tax in India was abolished in? Correct answer C. 2015. Next question. The biggest source of direct tax in India is? Correct answer B. Corporate tax. Next question. The Finance Commission deals with? Correct answer B. Distribution of financial resources. Next question. Government receives grants from? Correct answer B. IMF. Next question. Toll tax is a type of? Correct answer C. Non-tax revenue. Next question. The tax levied on goods entering a city is? Correct answer A. Octroi. Next question. A tax that cannot be shifted is called? Correct answer B. Direct tax. Last question. Which is not a source of tax revenue? Correct answer C. Borrowings.